everyone. How are you guys doing? Welcome, welcome. It's been a little bit.
It has. We're finally in the same place again. First time since like January.
That's right. We've been gone a little bit. We've had all kinds of fun. We've been couponing this whole time, let me tell you. But we are here at our new podcast show, guys, for Saving Our Way. We want to talk to you guys. We have missed you.
Yes.
Go ahead, Jen.
So, okay, we have a couple of things that we want to make sure you guys know about for the weekend. First of all, before we get into it, we want to say a big thank you to the Center of Advanced Wellness.
Thank you, Marty and Sandra.
Because not only do they give us space to have the podcast here in their like offices, but they're also a sponsor of our coupon class. So we're actually going to be having a coupon class this coming Saturday at the Center of Advanced Wellness. So you need to know where they are before you even know more about the couponing class itself. So Center of Advanced Wellness is on Botts Lane. It's kind of the 410 airport area.
8723 Botts Lane.
She's got it memorized. And they have a ton of resources for the entire family. They are both kind of a wellness practice and they're a med spa. So you can bring the kids and get their like immunizations or do sports physicals, wellness checks, all of that stuff. Or you can come and get yourself looking pretty and resurface because they've got facials, they've got that cocoon thing you do.
Oh, yeah.
They've got all sorts of ways to treat yourself at the med spa.
That's right.
And one of the things they're doing for us, I cannot get over this. They actually gave Brenda a big stack of $25
She's holding
gift cards.
A ton, but there's more. There's more.
So everybody who comes to our class this weekend, and we'll give you the details in a minute, is actually going to get as a thank you a $25 gift card to the med spa, right? So this is not for the doctor piece of it. This is for the med spa.
This is for the med spa, and there is plenty. And like Jen was saying, we don't have one, but we have 2 coupon classes. And in both of the classes, Marty and Sandra with the med spa has given us ton of savings for you guys. It's like Jen was saying, $25 off. Every penny counts. Oh my goodness.
Absolutely. So let's get into it and tell you about the coupon classes. If you've not attended a class with us before, they are a ton of fun, and it's really to demystify the art of couponing. So often we have people who have wanted to coupon for years and years, and they never really get started because they think it's going to be too difficult. This is like a 90-minute session that like breaks it all down for you of what you really need to do. And at the end of it, people are like, oh man, what was I scared of? This isn't hard at all. We tell people where to go to get coupons. We tell them what they can do with the coupons at the store. We focus on HEB. And we give you guys our picks for our favorite coupon apps. So we talk about the HEB mobile app, we talk about Ibotta, and we talk about Fetch Rewards. So if you know how to use the camera on your phone, if you can take a selfie, if you can take a photo of your grandbaby or your dog, you can learn to coupon because it's all the same technology. So the class runs, we have 2 sessions. The first one's going to be on Saturday, and that is April 15th. It's going to start straight up at noon, and it's going to be here at the Center of Advanced Wellness, which was 8723 Botts Lane. So again, we'll be running from about 12 to 1:30. We try to keep it to that length. You can let us talk for longer, but we try to keep it to that length.
Yeah.
And then if you can't make it to the Saturday session because you're not on the north side or you've got something else competing, we have a south side location that's going to be the following Tuesday, and that's Tuesday, April 18th.
April 18th.
At 5:30 p.m. at Amagi Bank.
Right, Amagi Bank. Thank you to Lori Lerma. She is the manager there. And we love her. She believes in couponing. She does it herself. We were able to teach her. And she's just been awesome to allow us to have our classes there.
So we have both north side and south side this time. We're working on locations for west and east side, but at least we have a couple of different opportunities so you don't have to drive across the entire city.
That is true.
To attend the classes. So to attend, you want to go to mysa.com/coupon. And that gives you all of the information so that you can RSVP. We do request that people RSVP because we have like a legit limited amount of seats. We need to make sure you have chairs.
RSVP.
You do not want to stand for an hour and a half while we talk about
That's
couponing.
true.
The other piece that's important to know is that we do not have childcare on site. So if you have little ones that can't sit for 90 minutes, this is not going to be a good fit for them. We will have an online class coming in the next couple of weeks. We're still working on the details for that. So don't panic if you don't have childcare, but we are looking for, you know, people to be able to come. If you have kids like maybe 10 and up, we've actually had a lot of success with teenagers because they'll come and they'll like help their moms or their grandmas with all of the technology piece of it on their phones. They're like, okay, I've got that downloaded. Okay, let me show you how to do this.
Here we go.
So we love talking to kids as long as they are old enough to like engage and interact.
That's right. And if you guys have not ordered the Express News that has your coupon money in it, definitely get to my website at savingourway.com and order yours. So we do have a special promotion for you guys for this class. That is where you guys are getting 5 papers at the foot of your door every Sunday. It's a total of 4 weeks, a total of 20 papers for only $20 a month. Invest your $20 because you are getting hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of savings every single month.
Well, plus they're getting back a $25 gift card anyway.
Right.
So you're spending $20 to get all of your coupons for the month, and you already get hooked up with a $25 gift card just for coming.
That's what we do, guys. We give you guys all kinds of savings. So again, get to savingourway.com and order your paper. If you're in the Houston area, you can get to savingourway.com there as well, and you can get in on your special promotion.
And if you're elsewhere in Texas, we're sorry. We're working on it.
We're working on it.
If you're in the Valley or Corpus or Austin or Dallas, this offer is for people who are in the San Antonio delivery area. It's not for people who want it mailed.
That's right.
Yeah, we're sorting that out.
So today we are having a short show. We just basically came out to say, hey, we're back. You guys will see us once or twice a month. We will go ahead and get that information for the next couple of months, and we will put that above and below so that you guys can know when to tune in. Other than that, we are just going to be sharing our podcast all over social media, so you guys will catch us.
Yeah, we do already have some like things we know we're going to be talking about in future episodes. We want to talk about Brenda's concept of a cookie jar and how you use that as a buffer so that you build that in to your household budget, so you have money set aside for when a deal pops up that's really too good to mess up.
That's right.
So we're going to be talking about that in a future episode. And another thing we were talking about was the Kroger delivery system. Since Kroger
we need to talk to you guys.
has been around for a few months now in San Antonio, a lot of people don't know how to work it, but it's way easier than you think. And I was showing Brenda the savings I've had just since January, and she's like, oh my gosh, we have got to put that on the podcast.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, so maybe we could talk about that next time going forward. Once again, thank you guys so much to the Center of Advanced Wellness and to Amegy Bank since they're going to be offering space for our upcoming coupon classes. That's right.
Go to mysa.com/coupon again for those dates and times, and to RSVP because we don't want to make you stand for 90 minutes in the corner while we're teaching class. We want you to have a chair.
That's right. Well, we'll see you guys soon. We can't wait to see you guys. Bye, everybody.
Bye. Happy couponing.